Sama natin. Ano ba? Tara. Wait. Excuse me po kami muna. Sorry po. Marami natin pangalan natin. Okay. Dito tayo. Ay, dito. Ay, dito ka. Dito tayo. Ako. Sabi ka na naman.
Pero what if?
Nice. Life is so tiring, isn't it? But at least I'm learning happy.
At the heart of opportunity and innovation stands Diliman College, a place where minds are not only taught but truly inspired. Here, learning goes beyond textbooks through advanced lessons, real-world experiences, and hands-on opportunities. Students are challenged to think critically, explore boldly, and grow confidently. Guided by exceptional mentors, every student is encouraged to discover their potential. Our educators do more than teach, they guide, support, and inspire the leaders and innovators of tomorrow. At Diliman College, education extends far beyond the classroom. Students gain practical knowledge, leadership skills, and life lessons that prepare them for the challenges in the real world. Diliman College, where minds are nurtured, talents are strengthened, and futures are built for a global stage.
Here at the Hub, we have 4 stalls that sell different types of foods that is healthy and delicious that you will really enjoy. Buti na talaga dito ko magtindi ko. Right? Hindi lang ako ganun. Diba? Kaya ang nasasabi kong best food, sila may best food. Kaya talaga dito. Kaya isa po sa mga best friends. Kaya wala. Actually guys, pero sa tingin ko talaga nandiyan yung talk lang. Kaya kailangan na talaga natin. Talaga ba?
Also, our special member, Glenn Marie Dubli. Ay! Baliw, sa pastil. Gusto? Bali, nakabuli.